11 and 12, yes. This is Surah Al-Infitar in verse 11 and 12. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Wa inna alaykum lahafizina kiraman katibina ya'lamuna ma tafalun. Surely there are guardians over you, noble recorders, who know all that you do.
Question.
Are there only two angels as generally are there only two angels as generally explained by the mullahs, or there are some
two angels you mean for the whole world?
For
each person?
For each person.
That's right, yes. See, Kiraman Katibin, the word Kiram is used for them to indicate that they're noble, trustworthy people. They never make a mistake. And the work they do always remains honorable. Because anyone who is a witness to any crime, or anyone who is a witness to a good deed, before he is passed as witness, he must pass the test of Kiram. If he's Kareem, then his witness is Kareem and it will be acceptable. So that is why Allah has taken such cautions for the Day of Judgment. Although His word should pass, He knows everything. He said, I know you are bad, I know you are good, and finish with that, but not that. The other system of Adl by Allah, as we read in the Quran, is fantastic. If the Muslims follow that system, then there will be no problem left in their world. It's in the world of Islam. If the rest of the world follow the same system, despite the fact that they are not Muslim, still they can benefit from this system in a way that they cannot imagine how wonderful the states would become if they follow the system of witness as proposed by the Holy Quran. So Kiraman Katibin are two for each. What is their nature? This is irrelevant to the point. I believe that a system has been created where it may be internal consciousness of man, which is referred to as angels. If shaitan can be referred to as running in the bloodstream, then angels could also be referred to. So I do not deny the existence of such angels separately, but I am only proposing, possibly, it may mean the inner order of human beings. They have a record system within. Whenever they do a bad thing, it is recorded. Whenever they do a good deed, it is also recorded in the sense of nobility they gain from it. So these two could be Kiraman Katibin. But if there are angels other than these, I have no objection whatsoever. Allah knows best. Let them be, and they remain with us. And they remain with us to watch us whatever we do.